Dakajing bud din yak rukom terkam kitana terkam bapher jong khosor karjala bat khamtam e gejaka sumar nakaling ulat kejala uvishan muganthan ulalet ban Jurip daladi yakajing terkam ka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences bat ban tokit ni ginongpang yak rukom terkam jig doktor nurse bat ki staff kanigo hospital ha kaniga sngi ya ulat lasenran lang du director ka Neigrhims u AG ahangar bat ki wegi doktor kaniga jaka sumar uni ulat ulalet ban rung haman laki kamra thia ki laboratory room, ki ICCU, ICU bat ki way. Haba ai ke jing ro ek jing la kani hospital ban ai ke jing sumar ka babiangi ki pat ba ulong ba unong mo unong ke tin cm na kamta kani hospital ba nolor kani ru ulakan tu shushu ek doktor bekinas bakin dang penjalan ek jing dei beki pat ba khamtam ki bri ki baduk.
Sir, you are from? Manipur. There are patients. Stop. Chief of Education Department. That is wonderful. Cleanliness is his pet. अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट देता है. अच्छा है. मन खुशी है ना हॉस्पिटल है. Almost 90% off. This is the corrective treatment for blood pressure. Coronary bypass. So his option would be a coronary bypass surgery. Three blocks.
Showing one patient. This side was already over the side also we have done. Already that is that. So one side is so she's understanding.
There is a hope for poor, uneducated people also to get a very good treatment. So I request the management of this hospital to focus the service, medical service to all people, especially the poor and uneducated. They do not know how to express their pain. They do not know how to express their sorrow. In such a condition they come. So, the care and concern, attention, personal attention to every patient is very, very important. I saw the hospital. The doctors are very, very sincere. The atmosphere is very clean. High technological equipments are there. So the hospital is a modern hospital. One thing is missing. That is, the rest of the country do not know about this. Don't worry. I will be the ambassador for this hospital, for Neigrhims, to the entire country, to the topmost decision makers of this country. Whenever I go to Delhi, I meet the top people. I always tell them how this Neigrhims is doing remarkable work in the field of medical science. So, I personally, voluntarily, I am dedicating for yourself to declare this as a very important autonomous hospital. I will be the ambassador for it.
Please.